Hello, Ivy.
Command, please.
Settings.
Would you like to set time, date, voice, alarm greeting, or greeting music?
Time.
Please tell me the current time.
11:13 a.m.
The time is set to 11:13 a.m.
Hello, Ivy.
How can I help you?
Temperature.
The temperature is 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hello, Ivy.
Yes?
Set alarm 1.
Please tell me the time you would like alarm 1 to sound. For example, 7:30 a.m.
6:30 a.m.
Alarm 1 is set for 6:30 a.m.
Hello, Ivy.
How can I help you?
Radio on.
With Xfinity, this is how we think of things.
Hello, Ivy.
Command, please.
Set sleep sound.
Please tell me the name of the sleep sound you would like me to play.
Sound 3.
Please tell me how long you would like the sleep sound to play. For example, you can say 25 minutes,
30 minutes.
30 minutes.